Okay, we have this joint that's not good. It's really coming unraveled. It was never filled with a joint filler. So I'm going to use this nice, convenient clean out saw with a vacuum attachment to recut the joint before we fill it. We've cut our joints. We're ready to fill with our polyurea, or PE85. Here at High Tech, we make all kinds of custom products. This is our most recent product that we manufacture for contractors that are filling joints. It's called a soaper. It's a pretty simple process, but it works great. Basically, we've set this up so you can adjust and put 2 pieces of soap into a handle and stand up and go down to the joint and use this soaper to coat dry soap on both sides of the joint. And this works great in order to keep the joint filler from penetrating and sticking to a unsealed floor. Now, this floor out here on this job site is sealed, so it's really not necessary, but I'm just using this opportunity to demonstrate how simple it is to use the soaper. It's really good when you're dyeing a floor, polishing a floor. You can put the soap down before you fill with the joint filler because you've opened up the floor with your diamonds, and now the soap keeps the polyurea, or PE85 or 75, from sticking to the opened up floor. So it's a great, simple product. You can give us a call and we can ship one out to you. Now that we've got the joint cleaned out, we've soaped the tops of the joint, we're going to go ahead and start off showing you how to use our convenient cartridge system. This is our PE85 Shore hardness that's perfect for a warehouse floor. Just like with all our products, it's 1-to-1. This has to be shaken for about 60 seconds before we start to dispense it. It's very, very important, especially in wintertime, to warm up the cartridge before you start to shake it. That lowers the viscosity and makes it much simpler to shake and more successful to get the polyol side blended completely with inside the cartridge. So after 60 seconds of shaking, it's very simple. Go ahead and pop our cap off, take off the top cap, take our mixing nozzle that we go ahead and supply with the cartridge and screw it on the top. Now I'm going to show you 2 different ways of using our cartridge. I'll show you our very simple hand tool system, then I'm going to switch it to the battery tool. So first of all, put it in the hand tool, have it pointed straight up vertically, start to gun it out, and as you can see the product comes through the nozzle and starts to blend. I have a purge cup where I'll go ahead and shoot the material into to get it on ratio. Then I immediately bring it to the joint and start to overfill as I'm working backwards. The amount of product that you overfill is a waste. So you want to minimize your overfill, because that's just wasted material and wasted money. Now I'll go ahead and switch from the cartridge, from the hand tool to this really nice battery tool. As you can see, all I do is pull this back, slide the cartridge in like this, slide the plungers forward until they engage the cartridge, lock it in place. Now I'm going to go and start to fill. Using the battery tool makes the installation of the joint filler very, very easy. As you can see, I get a nice constant flow. Whenever we're using cartridges, it's can be problematic because some guys gun the hand tools like a gorilla, and if you use this battery powered tool, it's very, very fast and it's perfect. It's like using a machine because it's a constant flow. As you see, I'm slightly overfilling. Out of a cartridge, you usually get about 25 lineal feet. I'm going to stop right here as if I had finished this joint, because I want to show you how easy it is to save the cartridge. If I had finished the length of the joint, simply pull the cartridge out, bring it back over here to my purge cup while keeping it pointed down. I take the nozzle off, drop it in, take the D-plug system, install it back on, and now you've saved the product for the next time.